It's another morning and your girl is up. I'm grateful to God for life, a healthy life. I'm walking, I'm moving, and it's time to work. Yay! So I'm going to be getting some work done right now, just now. So come along with me. Let's go and do this. Whew. Living in the countryside means you have to wake up knowing what you have to do every single day. You can never wake up and stay idle. So right about now, I'm going to be getting some work done. Come along with me. Let's do this today. So basically this is rubbish and I'm going to be using this spade to put this rubbish in this basin, and I would carry it there in the banana plantation as you guys are going to be seeing. So let's get some work done. We are getting some work done. So guys, basically this is what we are doing. We are getting this rubbish or the manure and putting it near the plantation, the banana plant. As you can see, even there, even there, even there, there. Things are taking my face. Take a move every trick. So in the meantime, guys, work is done. As you can see, I have cleared up everything. But anyways, my mom came and helped me carrying that manure from there to the plantation. So we are done with here. Like the video, subscribe. I know you, even if you don't get what I'm doing, just like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a beautiful comment. Mangoes.